Have you ever wondered why so many people get excited about network marketing, only to crash and burn? Here's the truth. MLM fails. People jump in, full of hope, and then they hit the MLM pain points. Stay to the end of this video as we have created the solution to every network marketer's nightmares. They get told, just talk to your friends and family, and suddenly they're labeled as part of an MLM scam. Why? Because the MLM matrix is outdated. The system hasn't changed in decades, yet the world has. Meanwhile, MLM top earners keep making money while 97% fail in network marketing. No wonder there's a whole movement of anti-MLM creators calling the industry a joke. But here's the thing. Network marketing itself isn't the problem. It's the system behind it. And today, I'm going to show you the secret to building trust in network marketing and a system that finally solves those problems. I've been around this industry long enough to see the cycle. People join with excitement, then reality hits. Their upline vanishes, their team collapses, their income disappears. They're left wondering if they got scammed. The truth is, the traditional MLM matrix doesn't serve the average person. It's dominated by the 3% that have automation, big downlines, huge following, and a duplication model. And that's why only a handful of MLM top earners succeed while the majority quit. If you've felt those frustrations, if you've seen teammates disappear, if you've watched your business stall, you're not alone. In fact, 97% fail in network marketing. Leave me a comment about your frustration. But what if there was a way that flipped the script? That would grow your downline on autopilot, stop attrition, turn your efforts into exponential growth, and rank you up fast, earning you passive, lasting income. Here's the secret. Success in network marketing isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with the right system. The solution, Powerline Team Building Engine. This engine was built to eliminate those old MLM pain points and give people a real chance to win. Let me break it down with some MLM success tips. Team building becomes automatic. No more begging friends and family. You'll have network marketing team building strategies that actually work in today's world. Sponsoring gets easier. With the system doing the heavy lifting, you'll unlock MLM sponsoring secrets that attract people instead of pushing them away. Duplication finally works. Whether you're brand new or seasoned, you'll learn how to build a team in network marketing that grows steadily instead of collapsing. This isn't hype. This is about simplifying success. We built the Powerline Team Building Engine with one mission: to make network marketing simple and duplicatable by giving every person a system that builds teams faster, reduces attrition, and creates lasting residual income. And we have a vision, a future where anyone, not just the top 3%, can succeed by leveraging a seamless team-building system that creates growth, stability, and multiple streams of income. Here's how we position ourselves. The Powerline Team Building Engine is the simple, proven system that empowers network marketers to build faster, stronger teams with less effort, reducing attrition, accelerating rank advancement, and creating sustainable income. In plain English, it's about building trust. When you can show someone that their business won't collapse tomorrow, that there's a real path to residual income, suddenly network marketing feels different. It feels like opportunity again. So if you've felt the sting of MLM fails, if you've seen the MLM pain points up close, if you've questioned whether MLM is a scam, I want you to know there's a better way. The Powerline Team Building Engine isn't about hype. It's about giving everyday people the tools and leverage they've always needed to succeed. The secret to building trust in network marketing is simple. Deliver a system that works for everyone, not just the 3% at the top. If you're serious about creating real residual income, if you want to stop chasing people and start building a network marketing team that lasts, follows you into any offers you have, then it's time to plug into the system. Check the description below. You'll find all the details. And if this video resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's struggling in MLM. Together, we can rewrite the story of this industry.